Welcome to Brainy Science Challenge. We have 5 questions for you today. Think you can get them all? Let's go. Question number 1. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? The answer is nitrogen. Question number 2. Which element has the highest electrical conductivity? The answer is silver. Question number 3. What is the chemical formula for table salt? The answer is L. Question number 4. What is the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth? The answer is diamond. Question number 5. Which planet in our solar system has the tallest known volcano? The answer is Mars. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more quizzes.